Hey guys, I want to give you a little bit of feedback based on the bell work that you did yesterday with the Ser, Estar, and Ir. There are two questions that a lot of us missed that I want to go over, and then I want to go over how you need to enter your answers because you are missing points for silly reasons, and you're not going to get those points back if you don't correct the way you're doing it. So first of all, I want to talk about this question right here that you see in front of us. So we've got Pedro y tú blank al gimnasio en la mañana, and the directions told you that you needed to fill this in with a form of ir. So remember, your forms of ir are the following. So we've got voy, vas, va, vamos, and van. Notice there are no accents on any of your forms of ir. So we need to figure out which subject Pedro y tú really is. So I'm saying, hey, Pedro and you go to the gym in the morning. So it's not going to be voy, it's not yo, it's not going to be vas, because I'm not just saying two, I'm saying Pedro and you. It's also not going to be nosotros. It's not going to be we, because if I'm saying, hey, you and Pedro went to the gym yesterday, I'm not saying we went to the gym, I'm saying you and Pedro went to the gym. So really, if it's Pedro and you, it's like saying you guys or y'all. And what's the form, or what's the word for you guys or y'all in Spanish? Well, that's ustedes. And this is the ustedes form right here. So Pedro y tú van al gimnasio en la mañana. The second question that we missed a lot is the last one, where you needed to pick which sentence was grammatically correct. So let's talk about what's wrong with each of these sentences. So let's start on the bottom here. So it says, tú vas a el baño. Well, you learned in that video a couple days ago that if you have a and el next to each other, that's supposed to turn into al. That's not optional. Like in English, you can say I am or I'm. In Spanish, you have to squish them together. It needs to turn into al. So that one is out. This one is tú vas a baño. You go to bathroom. You go to bathroom. We're missing the word for the here. So since we have that L missing, this one is wrong as well. Tú vas el baño. Okay, now we have you go the bathroom. Still doesn't make sense. We need the word for two. We need a here. So we're missing the a, so that one's wrong. And then finally we have tú vas al baño. Remember, this al is really a plus l. So we have you go to the bathroom. Okay, perfect, but the a and l got squished into al. So this was actually our right answer for the last one. And then in terms of why you are losing easy points. So this isn't going to go away. We're not going to go back and give you missing points because, you forgot your accents or whatever. So pay attention to these tips on how to make sure you are getting your answers correct. So if you do not know how to enter accents on your Chromebook, Profa posted a video yesterday of how to do that. Go watch that video. So if your keyboard isn't set up to switch between Spanish and English already, you need that added onto your Chromebook. Also, don't just add them all willy-nilly. Like a lot of us put accents on the forms of ir. Ir does not have accents on it. So if it's tú vas, there's no accent on vas. So make sure you're actually adding them where they go. Don't stick them where they don't belong. Don't put spaces in your words. So if the correct answer is voy, make sure that you are entering V-O-Y, and that's it. Don't put V-O-Y space. It's just V-O-Y. If you have a space before or after your word, it's going to count it as wrong. And then lastly, capitalization. So if you are capitalizing a word in the middle of a sentence, like we don't capitalize words in the middle of sentences, that's not right. So there's a reason that it's marking it wrong. You need to make sure that you are not capitalizing it. Now, if it's the first word in a sentence, then yes, you do want to capitalize it. And if you don't, then it will mark it wrong. So check your capitalization as well. All right, adios.